For a certain computer game, individuals receive an integer score that ranges from 2 to 10. Now the table shows the frequency distribution of the score of the 9 players in Group A and 11 players in Group B. Now these are the scores that have been given to us, and these are the score frequencies in Group A and Group B. And as we can see that there are 9 players in Group A and 11 players in Group B. Now the mean of the scores for Group A is 5 and the mean of the scores for Group B is 7. And we need to find the mean of the scores of the 20 players in Group A and Group B combined. Now as we know that the formula for mean is sum of numbers upon total number of numbers. Now as we know that the mean for Group A is 5, which implies MA, which is also equal to 5. So let's just put this as SA, the sum of all the scores in Group A, divided by 9. As we know that the total number of players in Group A is 9 here, which implies SA should be equal to 45. Let's just take this as our first equation. Now similarly, we know that the mean for Group B is 7, which implies MB, which is also equal to 7, is equal to SP, which is the sum of all the scores in Group B, divided by 11, as there are 11 players in Group B. This implies the sum of all the scores in Group B should be equal to 77. This should be our equation number 2. Now we have to find out the mean of all the scores of the 20 players in Group A and Group B combined, which implies MA plus B should be equal to SA plus SB divided by 20, because there will be 20 players combined in Group A and Group B. 9 plus 11 is equal to 20. Now we know the value of SA and we know the value of SB, so let's just substitute these values here. This implies mean of A plus B combined should be equal to 45 plus 77 divided by 20. So this would add up to 122 by 20. This implies the mean has to be equal to 6.1. Hence 6.1 is the right answer.